Hello everyone. I want present my PowerPoint. I choose the topic of simple present tense. The first page is my profile. My name is Fatih Nasywan. I'm from class 15.1a.2. My name is 15 and 24 and then double zero and 37. And my majoring is informatics. Definition of tenses. Tenses in English are divided into four types, namely present, past, future, and past future. Tenses are part of the basic grammar of English that deals with time. Tenses are divided based on time span, namely 1. Simple present tense. Simple present tense using to narrate current events. Number 2. Simple past tense. Simple past tense using for to describe past events. And then number 3. Simple future tense. Simple future tense using to tell what happens in the future. Number 3, types of tenses. Some other example of tenses are 1. Present continuous tense. 2. Present perfect tense. 3. Present perfect past tense. 4. Past continuous tense. 5. And past perfect tense. And then 6. Past perfect continuous tense. Simple present tense definition. Simple present tense is an English tense used to express facts, habits, or events that occur repeatedly or routinely. Simple present tense is one of the basic tenses that is often used in everyday conversation. Function of simple present tense. Simple present tense is the almost commonly used everyday tense. Simple present tense sentences are usually characterized by the use of the basic verb form or using verb 1. When to use simple present tense? The simple present tense is used to describe actions or states that are happening right now or that happen regularly. It can also be used to describe general truths, unchanging situation, habits, and schedule, even in the future. Page 7 formulas for make a simple present tense. The simple present tense formula is subject plus verb 1 and plus s or es and plus object. Here are some simple present tense formula. For positive sentence, the formula is subject plus verb infinitive or verb 1 plus object. For negative sentence, the formula is subject plus do plus not plus verb 1 plus object. For interrogative sentence, the formula is do or does plus subjects plus verb 1 plus object. For he or she or its subjects, the positive sentence verb is followed by the s or as affix. And page 8, things to note when using simple present tense. Here are some things to note in using simple present tense. For third person singular verb always end in s. For verb that end in y, the third Recent form change the Y to EAS. For example, catches, washes, polishes, teaches, works. Simple present tense. Positive tenses, positive simple present tense sentence is one that use the basic verb form verb one or to be are or am or is to express an activity or state that is happening right now or a habit that happens regularly. Negative tenses. Negative simple present tense is one that knows denial, disagreement, or negation. Interrogative tenses. Interrogative simple present tense sentence is an interrogative sentence, the best form of a verb one in English. Example of positive simple present tense. Positive simple present tense. 1. I go to school every day. He loves to play basketball. We make the cake for my birthday every year. She writes an email to her best friends. They study English every Wednesday. He drinks tea at breakfast. She understands English. It mixes the sand and the water. He tries very hard. She enjoys playing the piano. Example of negative simple present tense. Negative tenses. I don't sing. We don't go to school on a daily basis. At 20 degrees Celsius, ice does not melt. Abby doesn't like traveling. The clock doesn't work. I'm not prepared for the presentation. Jamie doesn't exercise much. Jack doesn't eat ice cream every day. Example of interrogative simple present tense. Interrogative tenses. Do you play the piano? Where do you live? Does Jack play football? Where does he come from? Do Rita and Angela live in Manchester? Where do they work? What does he do? How do they come here? When do we start? Why do they play football so late? And then page 13, simple present tense pattern. Simple present tense is divided into two sentence patterns, namely verbal simple present and nominal simple present tense. Verbal simple present tense is an English verb form used to express ongoing, event, or routine activities. Nominal simple present tense is an English sentence that does not contain action or non-verbal and use the verb be or commonly called to be. Example of verbal simple present tense. I wake up at 5 a.m. every morning. The train leaves at 6 a.m. I write a letter for my teacher. I think it's wrong. I write a letter for my teacher every time. We have a meeting now. Mary needs a dictionary. They want to go to the party. Example of nominal simple present tense. He is a new lecturer on the campus. She is not confident. We are not present today. My brother is a hard worker. The water is very fresh. They are always happy. Page 16, time adverbs. The function of the time adverb in simple present tense is to show that an activity is done regularly. Time adverbs also tell when, how long, and how often an activity happens. Page 17 example of time adverb. He goes to church every day. I stayed in Switzerland for 3 days. I'm going on vacation for a week. I have not seen you since Monday. I go to school every day. We make the cake for my birthday every year. You sing beautiful song every night. They study English every Wednesday. It usually rains every day here. Uh, it's a wrong number page. I'm sorry. Uh, it's page 18. Small mistake when making simple present tense. One small mistakes that often occurs when making simple present tense is not adding s or as to the singular subject he, she, it. In page 19, the conclusions of the simple present tense. Simple present tense is used to tell about things that happen continuously in the present. Simple present tense is the most commonly used to everyday tense. Simple present tense is used to talk about something that is common, happens over and over again, or is a general truth. The time statement will determine the type of to be used in the sentence. Simple present tense is used to give instruction of or directions. Simple present tense is used to express time in the future after a conjunctions after, when, before, as soon as, and then until. Thank you. That is my presentation about simple present tense. Sorry if I make a mistake in my word from first page until ending of page, and I'm sorry about page number 18 and 19 because I'm forget to change the page number. Thank you for everyone. See you.